Hello, everyone, and welcome. We're diving into something truly exciting today. Imagine this. What if every single student could have their own personal tutor? One that's available 24/7 and knows exactly how they learn best. Well, that's the massive idea behind a new platform we're looking at called EduAI. It's a seriously bold vision, so let's jump right in and see how they plan to make it a reality.
Now really just stop and think about that for a second. A personal guide that adapts to your speed, your way of thinking, and even your specific school's curriculum. Ready to help you whenever you get stuck. I mean, it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's the core question driving everything we're about to explore.
So, to really get why a tool like this is so necessary, we have to start with the problem it's trying to solve. And honestly, it's a problem that affects almost everyone, the massive need for more personalized learning in our education systems. You know the scene? Picture a typical classroom. One teacher, maybe 30 kids, all trying to learn the exact same material at the exact same speed. It's a system that, just by its nature, can't possibly work perfectly for everyone. Some students fall behind, and others get totally bored. It's that classic one-size-fits-all approach.
Okay, so that's the problem. How do you break out of that rigid, old-school model? Well, this is where EduAI steps into the picture. And their goal isn't just to tweak the system, it's to completely flip the script on how education is delivered.
So what is EduAI exactly? At its heart, it's a full-blown digital learning ecosystem. It's this powerful combination of artificial intelligence and virtual reality built to create a whole new kind of learning experience. And the key thing to grasp here is that it was designed from day one for massive global scale.
And just look at the sheer ambition here. We're not talking about something for just one country. This platform is built to automatically adapt the local curriculum and language of 190 different nations. And since it's all in the cloud, you can access it from anywhere, whether you're in elementary school or just about to graduate high school.
Okay, that is a huge promise. So how on earth does it actually work? Let's peel back the curtain and get into the nitty-gritty of the tech that makes it all possible, which they call the Amaze AI ecosystem.
All right, so at the very core of this whole thing, you have its brain. It's a proprietary engine called the AI Mastermind. And this right here is the secret sauce that makes all that incredible personalization happen.
So this engine is constantly working in the background. It creates these little AI agents. Think of them as virtual teachers to guide students. It dynamically builds custom lessons and even tests based on how a student is performing in that moment. You get instant feedback, so it can spot where you're struggling and double down on your strengths, literally creating a unique learning path for every single person.
But hey, a super smart tutor is just one part of the equation. The next big step is to make learning not just smart, but truly immersive and engaging. And that, my friends, is where virtual reality comes in. And this is where things get really, really cool. With VR, abstract concepts become real, hands-on experiences. Imagine conducting a chemistry experiment in a virtual lab, where you can't actually blow anything up, or taking a field trip to walk through the streets of ancient Rome. It's about learning by doing. And from a business angle, it also opens up a whole new revenue stream through hardware sales. It's a win-win.
Okay, so we've got smart, personalized learning. We've got immersive, hands-on experiences. But there's one more critical piece to this puzzle. How do you prove what you've learned? For that, they're turning to blockchain to make every achievement secure and credible.
Basically, every time a student hits a milestone or earns a certificate, it gets locked into a secure digital ledger. This means a student's academic record is tamper-proof and can be instantly verified by a college or an employer anywhere in the world. It's a level of trust and security that a paper certificate just can't match.
The technology is undeniably impressive, but let's get down to brass tacks. Does it actually work as a business? To figure that out, we need to look at the numbers and the strategy behind it all. The entire business model really kicks off with this one powerful number, 190. That's how many countries' school systems the platform can adapt to, right out of the box. So their potential market isn't just one city or one country, it's pretty much the entire planet from day one. And this is the core of their revenue plan. We're talking about a simple annual subscription fee for each student, somewhere in the range of $500 to $950. Now, you start multiplying that by a potential user base of millions of students across those 190 countries, and you can see how the numbers could get very big, very, very fast. But here's the smart part. They're not putting all their eggs in one basket. It's not just about student subscriptions. They've built this multi-layered revenue model.
They'll also make money selling VR hardware, running a marketplace for digital lessons, licensing the platform to entire schools and districts, and even integrating their own digital currency for payments. So, when you put all of this together, the tech, the business model, what does it all add up to? Well, the final pitch here isn't just about a cool product. It's about a much bigger vision for the future of learning itself. And this quote really gets to the heart of it all. This is the why behind the whole project. The ultimate mission is to use this incredible technology to level the educational playing field, making a top-tier personalized education accessible to any student, no matter where they live.
So you can really see the dual-pronged pitch here. On one side, you have this visionary, mission-driven project that's trying to genuinely revolutionize education. And on the other side, you've got a high-growth, scalable investment opportunity with multiple revenue streams and a massive global market. It's the best of both worlds.
And that brings us right to the call to action. EduAI is now officially looking for partners to help bring this vision to life. They're seeking support from government innovation funds in Turkey like KOSGEB and TÜBİTAK. And they're also opening the doors to private investors who see the incredible potential here.
So the platform is designed, the global market is waiting, and the timing feels absolutely perfect. The final question isn't for them, it's the one they're posing to investors. Are you ready to be a part of what comes next in education?